Well, good morning everyone. Alexia Franklin here from healing4life.co.uk. I just wanted to do a little talk about what I've been writing about in the last two blogs, where I wrote about what it takes to succeed and why. What do we need to do to succeed? And this is yesterday's blog. And the week before, I'd written about what it takes for us to be balanced. If one part of us is out of balance, if we are not asking the question why every day, it's a very important question. We ask when we don't know something, but we need to ask the why for us. Do we know where we're going, what we want to succeed at? If something is not running smoothly, which one of the five is not working? Is it sleep? Is it money? Is it food? Is it what we're drinking? Because our body is our car. If we don't maintain it properly, we're not at our best. So we need the combination. So why the toolbox? The toolbox is a place where you can put something to remind you of the fact that you're not using the right words, to remind you to do the exercise, to remind you to take 10 minutes away from the computer so that you feel refreshed at what you're doing, to make sure you keep a drink beside your desk, because we all get carried away in what we're doing and forget to drink. And yes, I have got my drink beside me while I'm recording this. So these are just a few things for you to think about from the blog. Bending and stretching so that we're not in one position too long is another.